Hello everyone, this is Umesh and welcome to the third video made on Tableau Public. So today I am going to tell you about creating a basic visualization and understanding the various components which are integral in creating these visualizations. So broadly our focus would be on few things today, that is understanding dimension and measures in Tableau, understanding card and shells, then we will create a basic data report, then we will understand about formatting those labels, those size and textures, and also about how to add total and grand total with your basic data report. Now you can see that in Tableau this panel, when you connect the data source, Tableau assign any field that contain discrete categorical information, for example field where the values are string or boolean, to the dimension area, this particular area. So cities, month name, weather division. So these values are classified into a discrete values, and by Tableau it is thrown into the dimension section. Okay, and now coming to the measure section. So measure section, Tableau assign any field that contains quantitative numerical information into the measure section. So this is containing value of this value assigned to the weather division, index values. Now you can see on the right hand side on where this is bifurcated, there are pages, filter, marks, column, rows, sections created. These sections are broadly classified into two parts, card and shelves. So pages are shelves, filters are shelves, this column and rows are shelves, and mark itself is a card. So essentially what are shelves and mark? So every worksheet in Tableau contains shelves and card. By placing fields on shelf and card, you can create the rows and column of a data view, exclude data from the view, create page, and control mark properties. So we have to make few experiment to understand it clearly how it is done and how Tableau organize it. So first of all we will create some basic data visualization. So as I said that uh, these are dimensions. So let's say this is my month, the dimension. I'm throwing into the row section. You can see Jan, Feb, March until December has appeared, and this has a value associated with it over here. So well you can see, and by default a chart is created. Now you click on this particular icon which is showing 1 2 3. It will convert that graph into a numerical report. So here it is, here my month section is there, and here the section is giving an aggregate values which are assigned to it. So in Jan the aggregate values of precipitation, temperature and sunshine was 19425, though it doesn't make any sense because we cannot club these three information. So how we can bifurcate it? I will select this weather division and throw. Now this bifurcation is fine. So you can see that Tableau has automatically, let me expand it. So Tableau has automatically bifurcated all those fields into precipitation, sunshine and temperature. Now with this, one of the important thing is that how to organize this data. I mean to say that let's say I don't want this precipitation to be here, I want to throw it at the end. So what we need to do, you simply go and click here. You'll see that precipitation goes to the end. Similarly, if you want to control the size of the text, so you can control it from this particular option which is in the mark card. So in this card which is called mark, here there is an option of size, so you can increase and decrease this size. So the increment and decrement of size happens from this particular, and you have an option of colors. You can select colors and you can assign a color value or a color to these numerical values. Now coming to the labeling part. So how to label your data? So once you click over here, so let's say on the month section, I want to do some labeling over here, and I don't want this these numbers to be affected. So I clicked on the format section, and then under the shadow, let's say I'm taking this yellow portion, so I have created a yellow shading to it. Similarly, if I need to do anything with this, I will click on the format. I will select my sorry I will select my rows formatting. Let's say I'm giving a green to it. So this is the column formatting. I have given a weather division green to it. This color doesn't look good at currently, because these are not the color combination which are typically used to create a report, but this is just for a demo purpose. So similarly, you can experiment here a lot, and you can fine tune that how to increase decrease the texture. So let's say if I need to make any changes in my fonts, so I can go and I can change the font size and shape from here. So it is 14, it is very much a large size. So if I can create 10, I can even make a smaller decrement to 8, something like this. Now this is the formatting section, what you can actually experiment a lot. The important thing is that we will understand how to add a grand total. So what we can see that these are the month on the left hand side, and these are the variables associated with month. So temperature, sunshine, and precipitation. Let's say I need the grand total of all these three values or variables. So what I need to do, first thing, I can go and I can make some grand total column at the end of my worksheet, but that is not what Tableau meant for, and it can be done very quickly with the help of analysis section. So go under, click on the analysis, click on total, and click on the column total. Sorry, show column grand total. So once you click it, you can see that these grand totals are associated, or the sum of all these values are being added or being shown over here. So this is all in today's learning. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe it, and thank you for watching it.